In the vast and often turbulent ocean of cryptocurrency, stablecoins might appear as islands of calm, safe havens from the volatile storms of Bitcoin and Ethereum. These digital assets are designed to offer a semblance of security, a promise of stability in an otherwise unpredictable market. Their very name promises stability, a digital dollar, pegged to the unwavering value of traditional fiat. They are marketed as the perfect blend of the old and the new, combining the reliability of traditional currencies with the innovation of digital technology. But just as a calm sea can conceal hidden depths, stablecoins harbor uncomfortable truths that every investor must understand. Beneath their tranquil surface lie risks and complexities that are not immediately apparent. This is not a tale of fear, but one of caution. It is essential to look beyond the surface and understand the underlying mechanisms that govern these digital assets. For within the seemingly secure shores of these digital assets lie complexities and vulnerabilities that belie their simple facade. These are not just theoretical risks, but real issues that can impact your investments. Join us now as we venture into the heart of the stablecoin ecosystem to uncover the 7 uncomfortable truths you can't ignore. These insights will equip you with the knowledge to navigate this intricate landscape more effectively. Our journey begins with a fundamental truth, often obscured by the allure of stability. In the world of digital currencies, the promise of stability can be particularly enticing, drawing in investors and users alike. However, it's crucial to remember that appearances can be deceiving. Not all stablecoins are created equal. While they may all promise stability, the mechanisms and assets backing them can vary significantly. Some, like the majestic whale shark, boast a 1-to-1 reserve. Each digital token, backed by a corresponding unit of fiat currency, held in the bedrock of traditional financial institutions. This creates a sense of security as each token is directly linked to a tangible asset. But others, more akin to the chameleon, adapt their appearance. Their reserves a mixture of assets, a dash of fiat, a sprinkle of algorithms, a touch of digital assets. This blend can be more flexible, but it also introduces complexity and uncertainty. This intricate dance of diversification might seem like a clever hedge against volatility, but it introduces a new layer of risk. Diversification can spread risk, but it can also dilute the stability that these coins promise. Imagine, if you will, a sudden storm. In the financial world, such storms can come without warning, triggered by market shifts, regulatory changes, or economic downturns. The value of these backing assets could plummet, leaving the stablecoin tethered to a sinking ship. When the assets lose value, the stablecoin's promise of stability is shattered. This is not mere speculation. History bears witness to the collapse of such ventures, leaving investors stranded on the shores of financial ruin. The lessons of the past remind us to look beyond the glitter and examine the true nature of what we invest in. As we navigate the intricate coral reefs of the stablecoin ecosystem, we encounter another stark reality: the specter of centralized control. Many stablecoins, despite their decentralized aspirations, remain tethered to the very institutions they seek to transcend. These centralized entities, like watchful reef sharks, hold the power to freeze funds, restrict transactions, and even dictate the fate of your digital assets. It's a sobering reminder that the promise of decentralization, the very bedrock of the crypto revolution, can sometimes prove elusive. As shadow falls upon our exploration, the ever-present specter of regulation. Governments around the world, initially hesitant to engage with the crypto frontier, are now turning their attention to stablecoins. Like a deep-sea diver encountering a new and potentially dangerous species, regulators are cautiously circling, eager to understand the implications of these digital assets on their carefully constructed financial ecosystems. This scrutiny, while perhaps unsettling, is not inherently negative. Chapter 4. The Tide of Panic. Vulnerability to bank runs. Imagine, if you will, a school of fish startled by a predator, darting in unison, creating a swirling vortex of movement. This, in essence, is the danger of a bank run, a phenomenon not exclusive to the traditional financial world. Stablecoins, despite their claims to stability, are not immune to this sudden and often irrational panic. If a critical mass of investors were to lose faith, to doubt the reserves backing their digital tokens, a digital stampede could ensue. Chapter 5. Unveiling the Illusion. Our journey takes us deeper into the murky depths where algorithms hold sway. Here, we encounter stablecoins that rely not on a one-to-one reserve, but on complex mathematical equations to maintain their peg to fiat currency. These algorithms, like the intricate dance of a school of squid, constantly adjust the supply of tokens, contracting and expanding to counter market fluctuations. It's a delicate balancing act, one that can create an illusion of stability. Chapter 6. Whispers in the Code. Privacy Risks. As we venture further, we encounter a truth often whispered but rarely addressed: the issue of privacy. Some stablecoins, in their quest for stability and regulatory compliance, have sacrificed the very anonymity that drew many to the crypto realm. Transactions, once shrouded in the relative anonymity of the blockchain, can now be tracked, analyzed, and potentially even controlled. It's a stark reminder that convenience and stability can come at a cost. Chapter 7. Echoes of Collapse. Algorithmic Failure. Our expedition concludes with a sobering reminder of the risks inherent in any financial system, particularly one still in its infancy. The collapse of Tether USD, an algorithmic stablecoin once heralded as a marvel of decentralized finance, serves as a stark warning. Its demise, swift and brutal, sent shockwaves through the crypto ecosystem, leaving investors questioning the very foundations of stability in this uncharted territory. After navigating the uncharted waters, our exploration of the stablecoin ecosystem has revealed a landscape as complex and nuanced as the ocean itself. Just as the ocean is vast and unpredictable, so too is the world of stablecoins, filled with both opportunities and challenges. We've encountered both beauty and danger, promise and peril. The potential for innovation is immense, but so are the risks that come with it. Stablecoins, despite their flaws, offer a bridge between the traditional financial world and the burgeoning crypto frontier. They provide a semblance of stability in an otherwise volatile market. They hold the potential to revolutionize payments, empower the unbanked, and usher in a new era of financial inclusion. Imagine a world where everyone has access to financial services, regardless of their location or economic status. But like any powerful tool, they must be understood, respected, and wielded with caution. Missteps can lead to significant losses, both financially and in terms of trust. If you found this helpful, subscribe and share. Crypto knowledge is power. The more we understand, the better we can navigate these uncharted waters together.